Are you sick of using traditional momentum indicators like the MACD, the RSI, or even the stochastic? Don't worry, because today I will show you a new profitable momentum indicator that you must try out. Hello, my name is ATP and welcome back to another episode of our Testing Indicators series. Here we explore new indicators, testing them across thousands of trades to uncover their real profitability. Today we are diving into the Heller Smoothed Adaptive Momentum. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So let's start by adding the Heller Smoothed Adaptive Momentum or ESAM indicator to our TradingView charts. First click on Indicators, then type ESAM and you can use this version provided by Everget, which is free. By definition, the ESAM is a custom technical analysis indicator that aims to enhance the accuracy of traditional momentum indicators by reducing noise and adapting to market conditions. It achieves this through advanced mathematical calculations, including the Heller's unique smoothing systems. The indicator produces a line that oscillates around a zero level, with positive values indicating bullish momentum and negative values indicating bearish momentum. By default, its settings are 8 for the cutoff length, 0.7 for the alpha and 3 for the filter, but I advise you to change the cutoff length to 16 and the alpha to 0.8, which works better. For entry points, whenever the line crosses above the zero level and turns green, we will open a long position, and whenever it crosses below the zero level and turns red, we will enter in a short position. Simple as that. And by looking at some examples, this indicator appears to be more accurate than, for example, the MACD. But to confirm if its results are indeed profitable and efficient, we will need to backtest it. As usual, to do this we need three things. First, the technical system, second, the risk management rules, and third, the testing conditions. And these three key points are always the same for each indicator I test in this series, so I can later compare them in a fair and efficient way. Regarding the testing conditions, we will backtest the ESAM on the 30-minute, 1 hour and daily timeframes using data from 2022 and 2023 across a diverse asset portfolio: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and Apple stock. For risk management, I will use the same method as in all the other episodes by using the ATR bands indicator, a volatility indicator that places the stop losses directly on your charts according to the market's volatility. And finally, regarding the technical system, in addition to the ESAM, I will also use a 200-period exponential moving average as a baseline to filter out losing signals from the indicator. Here you have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here you have a short trade example where the price is below the baseline. And in short, these are our backtest conditions. Let's now see how the ESAM indicator will perform. To simplify and accelerate the backtesting process, I will go again to the Indicators tab, search for ATP Premium Indicators Testing Bot and add it to my charts. For those who don't know, with this tool I can test infinite combinations of strategies and indicators in a quick, simple and efficient way. At the moment we have more than 60 indicators available for testing, with trigger, exit, volume and baseline functions, but every week new indicators are added. And yes, you can also use this innovative trading tool. In addition to me, dozens of traders also use it and the feedback has been amazing. To learn more about it, you just need to access the indicator ranking link, which is in the first comment down below, and then click here. After selecting all the conditions we defined earlier, the ESAM indicator with the respective settings and the 200 period EMA with the confirmation function, you can see that the trading bot not only displays every valid trade on the charts, but also gives me the monthly results on this table and the overall statistics about each asset I want to backtest down below on the Strategy Tester tab. And because I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot takes, and that's what I'm going to do to create the trading journals. I will speed up the backtest, but you can slow it down in the YouTube settings. I'll see you in a minute. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 4,000 trades across the 3 different timeframes. In the 30-minute one, after more than 2,300 trades, it achieved a win rate of 51.31% and a net profit of 209%. Here you can check other metrics and also the results of every single asset, where you can notice that the majority of them performed well. But then we had some assets like Bitcoin and especially Ethereum which performed badly. Still, for this short time frame, the equity curve is minimally consistent. Next, in the 1 hour time frame, after 1,500 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of about 50.42% and a net profit of 72%. Again, here you can find other metrics and also the results from every asset. This time the Ethereum was the best one, and by looking at the equity chart we can see that despite being profitable it wasn't stable. And finally, on the daily time frame, after 75 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 46.67% and a net loss of about 10%. As such, with this analysis we can confirm that the ESAM is in fact better than our usual momentum indicators, but yet you should include other indicators like a filter and a volume to enhance its performance. Also, keep in mind that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings or even the assets, your results may change. So always test your strategies before putting them into practice. In this series, my objective is to simply test different indicators to discover which ones give us more probability of success and that are worth using in a complete strategy. In our ranking sheet, I believe the ESAM indicator's fair place is here. And so, the purple cloud will continue to be our top indicator tested so far, followed by the Doro Stochastic and the Price Momentum Oscillator, whose corresponding videos you can find here. If you have ideas for indicators to test in future videos, don't forget to share them in the comments or in my free Discord community. Also, if you enjoyed seeing my working methods and would like to work one-on-one with me to enhance your trading skills and become a better trader, you can see all my available services on my website, algotradepro.org. For trading and investments, I use XTB, which is not only the safest broker I know, but also offers me the most advantages, such as 0 commissions up to 100,000 euros of monthly volumes. All links with more information are in the description. And that's it. Be well, thank you, and I see you in the next episode.